Honorable Kayemba Solo, just manning this whole parish. These things came in time. I can say they came at around 5:30. They were already here. We are here too. But the polling agents reached late here. Not the polling agent, the presiding officers reached late here. So they said the process went late. But as you can look around, the tension has also been too much, especially in the morning. A lot of guns were brought from different areas. But I can say we have managed to contain them, but as of now. But we don't know what is coming later. So that's why we say we have put security on spot to make sure this process goes on well. People are under tension. They are seeing new people here who are not who are goons from different gyms and different areas. But as I told you, I've put the security on spot to see that we make this exercise free and fair.
Doesn't it worry you that with the process already starting late, and yet the deadline is 4 p.m., doesn't that worry you that maybe some people may be left out from the voting process?
Of course it worries us because they know the turn-up, especially here in these ghetto areas, is too high. People come in big numbers. So they know if we start in late, it will reduce their numbers. It will reduce the voters who would have voted. When it reaches 4 p.m., they will close. So it's tactically. They have done it tactically to make sure that not all voters vote. But we are sure we have called upon all the voters to be here. I think you can see the lines are there. They are waiting any time to see that they can vote. We shall do whatever we can, though the process we are already not okay with it. We see that at least we have been cheated here and there with the tensions of security and what, but we are sure we shall come with the best of it.
Okay, thank you so much.
People of Kawempe really get to understand, because I can imagine that if we have schools like Kawempe Mbogo, we have schools like Chinawa, Mariamha, just to mention but a few, and there's so many others that I have not talked about. These are people that have taken their students to school or their children to school, meaning that a child that resides in Kawempe, however much we have a ghetto, this child has gone to like senior 2 or senior 3, and most of them have done senior 4, meaning that they are able to vote for a candidate that has really swayed them for really that particular vote. Here right now, I am approaching Kawempe police station, and you can see really, I will not call it a flag, but you can see different police trucks, different police vehicles they're all manned, ready to go to the field. We're in Kawempe, really taking year on to see what exactly the day is going to look like. But I can assure you that security is gulu gulu. Whatever the outcomes will be, I think the forces are here to see that, yes, Kawempe is safer than ever before. People dressed in kachi, people dressed in military combats, people putting on different headgears. Yesterday, the conversation in Parliament was about people masking their faces, and we're still seeing some of them still masking their faces. This is how Kawempe is really looking like. This is Kawempe police station. What you can see are some of the people that are going to be dispatched to the different areas within Kawempe. Kawempe North is one of the constituencies in Kampala that is somehow big, but also when you look at what exactly happens in here, different amenities, different businesses, but people are in Kawempe ready to vote. We are taking you around to see what exactly is happening. This is Kawempe, the road that takes you to the national referral. A jam is steadily moving, being controlled by the different traffic and policemen on the road. Business is moving, but we are going to give you a 360 of how the voting is really from now up to the main day, how it will end, we are really heading right now to some of the polling stations that are in Kawempe to see how they turn up, but we shall also link up with some of the people that are contesting for this vote. Earlier on, I was speaking to Farida Ndambi, who is going to start her journey to go to her polling station in Bogo at exactly 10. I'll be giving you all those updates as they evolve, as they keep coming in. This